Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to remove spam followers from your Instagram. So it's really easy to find the spam followers. So first of all, you need to open your profile and you can see here followers. My account is fake. So you can see here what is the criteria. You can see there is no post or maybe one or two just randomly, and you can see here the very less followers and the following are more, and you can see here the account is new and there is no activity, no comment, no likes on this account. If you feel this way, then 80% or 90% thinks that those accounts are fake. So go here, tap followers. So you can see here you can choose manually, it's not possible, but if you see here the username is awkward and there is no profile picture, so you can remove them, and if you don't know those user.